Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. I have so been waiting for this. I can see it from here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, guys, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So, tell you what. But, are you guys ready? First of all, I'm going to show you the beautiful stickers that we have. I love these so much, guys. Look, we have the cutest little Eevee ever. This is actually drawn by Shy as well. She has made her beautiful artwork into stickers. God, this is beautiful. I've always wanted one. Look, we got a business card from the beautiful Shyfoxx as well with info. Guys, if you're not following this queen, follow her. All right, I'm gonna put the camera up. You ready? Guys, look at how beautiful. Oh my god, there's something else in here. I'm gonna read it. Oh! Oh, Shy! I'm gonna read it. Guys, look at this. You know what I love? When you watch artists draw the artwork on stream, and then you have that piece of artwork in your hands. But, oh, Shy, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. I love them so much. I can't wait. I'm going to put them on the wall tonight. I also got this lovely thank you note. Dee, thank you so for oh my god, I can't even start reading properly. Oh, words. Dee, thank you so much for supporting me as an artist and a streamer. You're such an amazing person and friend. Oh. Watching your streams always brings me joy and positivity into my day. It is my pleasure to send some extra gifts as well. I hope you enjoyed the art prints and the stickers. Keep doing what you do, you incredibly human. Sending you loads of love as well. Love and hugs, Shyfoxx. This is going right on the cookie board. I'm putting this, you know what? I'm putting this on the cookie board right now.